Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to make a parachute from a garbage bag. So I'll just take a small size garbage bag. Along the cut, I'm just going to cut it out. Yeah, this marking is always there in every garbage bags. This thread is not required for us. You can even remove it. So if we see garbage bag, one side is completely open and another side it is sealed. So what we'll do is we'll just remove the sealed portion. Just cut it out. We need to make sure that we have a very big square as much as possible before we start. We are going to make a parachute which is approximately 50 centimeter in diameter. So I'm just trying to take the maximum size and just cutting one end so that we'll get a rectangle now. I'll just open the cover. So just like how you make any crafts, so we're just going to make a square. I'm just going to pull the corner. So I just stretched it and now pulling the corner and trying to make a square. Why we are actually preferring a garbage bag is because it's disposable, it is actually lightweight, so it makes a very good parachute material. You can even use glass sheets or any other plastic sheets if it's available at home. Now we are going to keep folding in the diagonal. Every half we're just going to keep pretending the corner at the top, right, that is going to the center of the circle, the parachute. So we're just going to make sure that along that we are going to fold the covers in halves. So you see the edge on the top left, right? So that would be the shortest. So making sure that it's going to be visible on top for us to cut it. Since we made so many folds, we'll just make a straight cut for now. A small curve cut should be enough to make it a circle. So once I open this now, it's a circle. So as I said, this is approximately 50 centimeter diameter. So there's a lot of air inside. I'm going to use a twine thread. So I'm taking 1.5 of the total length, the diameter of the circle, and I'm going to take 8 pieces. We'll just cut it out. So I'm going to arrange it octagonally, like we're supposed to make it a plus and the X. So approximately for now I'm taking around 6 to 7 centimeter. We'll make sure the same length is being used throughout. I'm just arranging all the threads for now. So we can tape it. You can use any small size tape, that should be fine. So just make sure that the tape which you're sticking is up to the edge. So I'm just rotated the parachute. Now we'll arrange the other four threads. So same length I'm arranging. You can figure out your own way to quickly stick all those threads. Now all the it is stuck with the tape. Actually it is strong enough, but we still make sure that we tie a knot, and this knot we need to make sure that it is along the edge. So I'm just making two knots. If you're using smaller parachute, try to use a thinner threads. Since mine was approximately 50 centimeter, I still think if a lighter thread would have been more perfect, more lighter. If you're very uncomfortable tying 8, make you can also keep 6 threads. Please do not go to 4. At least 6 would be good stable parachutes. I'm just holding the center. So now we know that all the threads come to the same point, so we can measure the same length, and approximately like this is radius, this is the so we took the total length was 1.5 times of the diameter. Now I'm taking the diameter length. So all this extra thread we can cut it off. The excess thread is because in case if you want to make it like a cup, a holder or something, then you can use it and then cut the extra. The diameter of the thread length equal to diameter is more than enough. Let's give it a small bench check. It looks stable, opening fine. We can cut out those extra threads, after we have made the knots. Now let's take it for a fly. It was a windy day and the parachute was really fine. Thanks for watching.